This is Mary from Mary's Stamping Happenings, and this is There's a Card Thursday. I hope you really enjoy this video and cards, and if you'd like to purchase any of the products seen, you can go to my website at marytroutner.stampinup.net and click on Shop Now. Hi everybody, this is Mary from Mary's Stamping Happenings. I'm an independent demonstrator for Stampin' Up, which means I sell Stampin' Up products. Today is There's a Card Thursday, and I just want to show you this really great card. And this is one of the celebration sets called Heartfelt Blooms. I just love it. Look at that. I want to show you this. Now, I've showed you this before, but look at this card. Flat. Now, if I turn the light just right, you can start seeing the pattern. But it's not like your regular other stamps. So, what we're going to need for this card is, of course, we're going to use the Heartfelt Blooms. The inks, we're going to be using Memento because we are going to be using the stamping blends with them. Okay? I keep mine in a paper pumpkin box. What else we're going to be using? For cardstock, we're going to be using Marina Mist, 8.5 by 5.5. We're going to use a piece of Perfect Plum. This is 4 by 5.25. Plus, we're going to be using a piece of Whisper White, 3.5 by 4.75. We're going to be needing glue dots, the Big Shot, the Petal Burst impressions embossing folder. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to ink up the stamp. See that? See how that just comes right out? I think it's cool. And then I am going to just stamp that. Mary is wonderful, Mary is wonderful, Mary is wonderful. Look at that. And then I am going to stamp the Thinking of You right underneath that, just because I have it out. And now I am going to color that. So I find that taking with this, the lighter, the darker, some darker and some of the lighters, you don't really need to blend these. So I'm going to use the light Old Olive. Now you can do these in different colorings. I'll show you after I'm done. Okay. Then I'm going to use Pool Party. Pool Party just really jumps. Remember to always use the sides. There's this one down here. Then I'm going to use the yellow, the Daffodil Delight. I'm going to use the dark. Okay. Then I'm going to use the pumpkin pie, light pumpkin pie. And then I'm going to use the dark pink pure or light Calypso Coral for these. Okay, and that's all you got to do. Now I am going to take the Perfect Plum and run it through the petal burst, and I get something that looks like that. And then all I'm going to do, this is just a simple card, take my glue dots, and then just glue this one on there. There you go, fast, quick card made with the Heartfelt Blooms Celebration set. So thanks for visiting and happy stamping. Oh, remember to follow me on YouTube, and all the supplies are down below. Bye-bye.